Each person has a unique blueprint, their talents and abilities, their destiny. When we realize their destiny, we're able to guide them to health using the universal chi flow to bring out their full potential. Hi, my name is CT Holman, and I'm excited to announce the upcoming online course, Who Am I in the Universe? Harmonizing Ming with the Universal Chi Flow. I'm honored to teach this course for international seminars on how we can determine someone's Ming, their destiny, what Lillian Pearl Bridges called their golden path. We use 5-element diagnosis and facial diagnosis to determine this. Once we understand their golden path, we can then know their common pathology. We can take all this information and guide them to optimal health using the universal chi flow, the heavenly stems and earthly branches. The information in this course comes primarily from my extensive studies under Master Zhongshan Wu and Lillian Pearl Bridges. The course is made up of 6 parts. The first 2 parts are about determining someone's golden path. So talking about 5-element diagnosis and extensive facial diagnosis. Part 3 is discussing the common pathology that we can see for these different golden path types. And then part 4 is looking at the universal chi flow, the heavenly stems and earthly branches. Then parts 5 and 6 are putting it all together and seeing how we can understand someone's golden path, the common pathology they experience, and how we can treat them throughout the year using stems and branches. For example, if someone comes in and you identify they have extra turtle snake energy, they have the ability to bring wisdom to the human family. They might be experiencing fear and urinary tract infections. So we can treat them, for example, in the month of December and use the mystical chi energy and needle the Shaoyin channel and use points, for example, like kidney 10, the He Si point, along with the source point, heart 7, along with the uppermost point on the kidney channel, kidney 27, to help them access that wisdom and walk their golden path. I will have many case studies, patient pictures, acupuncture point prescriptions to exemplify this elegant process of harmonizing someone with the cosmic chi. The course will be a hybrid. It's online. It'll be half or partly recorded and also live. That way, many people can participate from all over the world. Hope to see you there.